2026 Range Rover Sedan changes everything we thought we knew about the brand. For the first time, Range Rover steps fully into the world of ultra-luxury sedans, and it doesn't arrive quietly. This car isn't trying to copy the S-Class or the 7 Series. It's bringing a new kind of luxury, minimal, powerful and unmistakably Range Rover. At first glance, the design feels calm, confident, and expensive. The long, low silhouette flows effortlessly from front to rear, with clean surfaces and sharp character lines. Slim LED headlights, flush door handles, and a wide, planted stance give it a presence that doesn't shout, yet still dominates the road. This is a sedan designed to be admired in silence. Step inside and the experience becomes something else entirely. The cabin feels more like a private lounge than a car interior. Premium leather, real wood, brushed metal, and perfectly placed ambient lighting surround you in understated luxury. The seats are deeply contoured, offering heating, cooling, and massage functions, while the rear cabin provides executive-level legroom. Every surface feels intentional, refined, and crafted for comfort. At the center of the dashboard sits a seamless curved display running Range Rover's latest infotainment system. The interface is clean and intuitive, with ultra-sharp graphics and natural voice control. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 5G connectivity, and over-the-air updates keep the system future-ready. Rear passengers can enjoy their own entertainment screens and climate controls, turning every ride into a first-class experience. Under the hood, the 2026 Range Rover Sedan offers serious performance. The twin-turbo V8 mild hybrid delivers powerful acceleration with smooth refinement, pushing well over 500 horsepower. For those looking toward the future, the fully electric dual-motor version provides instant torque, near-silent operation, and long-distance range, all without sacrificing performance. Both versions feature intelligent all-wheel drive and advanced air suspension, keeping the ride incredibly smooth while maintaining confident handling. On the road, the sedan feels composed, balanced, and remarkably quiet. Road imperfections disappear beneath the adaptive suspension, and wind noise is nearly non-existent. Whether cruising on the highway or gliding through the city, the experience is calm, controlled, and effortless. Exactly what a flagship luxury sedan should deliver. Safety and technology work quietly in the background. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and predictive collision prevention. The car constantly analyzes its surroundings, making every drive safer without distracting from the luxury experience. The 2026 Range Rover Sedan isn't just another luxury car, it's a statement. It represents a new direction for the brand, blending elegant design, cutting-edge technology, powerful performance,